Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, okay? And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your amazing support. Today I'll be sharing with you a type of fufu. We call it Kokonte, okay? I'm going to show you the easiest way to prepare this type of fufu. We Ghanaians enjoy it so much. Let's get started. Let's get started. Our main ingredient is the kokonte flour, and here is it. It is made out of cassava. If you need it, just go to any African shop wherever you are to buy it, okay? So before you season it, I advise you sieve it to remove any unwanted substances from your kokonte flour, okay? Just to make sure that you are using clean kokonte powder for your fufu. So this is what I had. Definitely I'm going to throw this away. So next step is for me to add my powdered kokonte into my pot, okay? I'm going to show you the easiest way to make this type of fufu. This type you can never fail, okay? So this is it. After adding my powder into my pot, I then add water, okay? Time for me to mix my kokonte powder together with my water. Make sure to use cold water, okay, or else it will be lumpy. So just use cold water. And the thickness of your kokonte, how you mix your kokonte, depends on how soft or hard you want this type of fufu. Here's my consistency. It's not that thick, okay? If you want to be on the safer side, I advise you mix your consistency thicker, okay, so that you can add in water whenever you realize your fufu is hard. So this time you just keep on driving. Just keep on driving your fufu to make sure that there is no lump in your fufu. I don't like lumpy fufu, and I'm sure nobody does, okay? So this is it. After driving my fufu, this is the result, okay? The result is amazing already, okay? So this is the time for me to check how soft or hard my fufu is. So from this time, I'll realize whether to add in more water or not, okay? So after checking my fufu, I realized I just have to add a little bit more water, okay, to make sure I get softer fufu, not that too soft, okay? So this is it. I'll then cover it to cook for some few minutes before starting to drive again. Majority of Ghanaians enjoy this type of fufu, okay? And there are so many names for Kokonte fufu. And some of the names are Abetie, Lapewa, Kraman Rivers. So many other names that I've forgotten to mention, okay? And like I said, we use cassava in preparing this flour. What they do is they dry the cassava for it to get dried, and then they grind it into the flour. It's as simple as that, and then you get your dry powdered flour for your cassava fufu or your konkonte fufu. So whilst I'm preparing my konkonte, my soup is also on the side cooking on a lower heat. So this is it, guys. Our konkonte fufu is ready, and it's time for me to take it off the fire. So I'm going to serve it in my asanka or earthenware bowl, okay? You know, this bowl, we like using it a lot. I bet you there is this type of asanka, or there is asanka in every Ghanaian home. Yes, I can confidently say that there is no home that of a Ghanaian that you will not get asanka or earthenware bowl. So time for me to serve my fufu. Let this video be a sign for you to prepare your abetie or lapewa or your konkonte. Okay, so check it, guys. It looks so amazing, and I guess you're already salivating. So guys, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. And to all my amazing subscribers, I appreciate. Kindly subscribe, like, and then share my videos. You know they can never be kokonte without your okra. You see that okra on top. Till we meet again, shalom, peace out.